and I put my big one on these hoes, damn. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, no. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed at all. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.
What it do, what it do, what it do, my boys? It's your boy J Money, you watching Rich Vision J. And today, we got a package in the mail for the Harley. So here she is. She came double boxed on me. As soon as it got here, I was like, oh, let me open this. Another box. You know, it's one of them things, like Christmas thing, but popped it open already. Haven't took it out, so let's take it out the box. Okay. Nice little bubble wrap going on. I'm gonna set it over here on this messy old table. All types of just bull crap on there. Take this out. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Let's set you guys up real quick. And this is a 1999 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic seat that I ordered off of Amazon for, I believe, I don't even know, probably like 60 something dollars, maybe. Oh snap! Sorry guys. But let's get in here. Sorry about that. So hopefully you guys can see all this perfectly. Let me make sure. I'm being difficult. All right, cool. So, unwrap this. I didn't play with the packaging, guys. So, ordering this off of Amazon. Ain't gonna be mad. I guess I could have grabbed my knife up there, but it's all right. We got strength. Oh shit, all right. Oops, excuse me. There we go. Kind of made that look way harder than it actually honestly was. It was just me. It was a user error. That I think I put over here. Hold on. Yep. Quick, fast, and hurry, I'm back. That was way easier, guys. Alright, get a knife. Don't play around. Boom. Bracket. Which we'll go over there and test in a minute. Make sure everything fits. It has a little sneak peek. I guess you guys kind of see in the background a little bit, but I may be wrapping it like black, so that'll be another video. Ooh. I was wondering where the hardware was, and yeah, it's on the back of the seat. Just gotta take these screws out. Cool beans. So boom, let's kick this on. Essentially, I'll take these screws off, which come with me. Put this up in my messy toolbox, and what was that? Real quick. Alrighty, after we got that bracket off, we're going bada bing, bada boom, just like so. Okay, your boy J Money's back, but let me just tell y'all, another easier way to do this before just taking this whole bracket off of the back seat, just loosen the bracket so it can pop up and down. That way you can just go like this. Oh, now it's gonna be harder to do it on one camera, on one hand. But you can just push it off of there. So you don't even gotta take this whole bracket off, because I actually laid this down and put the bolt through and got it on there. So you can do it either way, but just letting you know. So let me put this back on. So that's what it looks like when it's all done and put together. Bada bing, bada boom. And let's just make sure this fits over the how it would. Oh yeah. Don't work like a glove. Perfect. Perfect. Let me just show you guys what I was talking about with this one. Okay. See how much wider that is? They don't even hit the bolt bracket over there. It's going on the shock. No braino. So, gotta go. And new one gotta get installed. So, there you guys go. That's a 1999 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic sissy bar assembly. And then I'll have another video on the install on my channel. So, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Rich Visions, we out.